Is that a Westfield? Did once consider buying a Westfield. I'm not sure if that was or not. I'll have to check back. Before I got into motorbikes, did consider buying a Westfield Megabusa, which is it kind of looks like a Caterham 7 if you haven't seen one before. Of course, if you haven't seen a Caterham 7, then it looks like a Lotus 7. It looks exactly like a Lotus 7, a Caterham 7. But it looked like one of them that just went past. And the only kind of key difference between that and a lot of the other of the kind of sporty 7 style cars that you see on the roads is that it's called the Megabusa because it used the engine out of a Hayabusa. Because it's such a light car, obviously not as quick because it's not as light as the Hayabusa, but I believe it was 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds, so in car terms, pretty damn cheap. Cheap? Pretty damn fast. I'm thinking ahead here. Pretty damn fast. Because it was pretty damn cheap, I think it was about as fast as you could go for a reasonable amount of money for a little sporty car. Can't remember the exact price, but I think they were about 20,000 or something, or 18,000 or something like that. So pricey as cars go, but not in the stratospheric pricing of cars. But I don't think you can go, in terms of acceleration, any faster for any less. Anyway, they looked fun. I won't let you let me down this time. There's something else. You jumped the red, you naughty boy. Misery. The sunshine. And hat to nod, does it? Riding down the carriageway, cars can't get in my way, it's all fun, especially when you're riding in the sun. Speeding down the motorway, got to have a happy day every time. You go for a ride and try to rhyme. It's so tricky when a sticky song is in your hand. Hello, doggy. That's miserable, that is. Can't believe you take a dog for a drive in a car and not let it stick its head out the window. Dogs are simple creatures, a bit like men. All they want to do is stick their head out the window when you're driving. Is that too much to ask? No, it's not. You've even given it a tinted window, you miserable person. Just sitting there going, let me stick my head out the window. I want to drool down the window on the side of the car. I want to feel like I'm running with the wolves. I do talk an incredible amount of crap. Ooh. Will I get through here? Certainly tight. Not helping. Thank you. Why are you waiting in the traffic? You've missed the point. You don't get a bike so you can sit in traffic. Even a scooty. White Mercedes. You're right, infamous biker Josh Woodward. He's pretty good. He's stuck in my head. For those of you who don't know, Josh Woodward is a musician, but all of his music he gives away for free. You can use it however you want. You can put it in your YouTube videos. And it don't cost you a bean. Very, very nice of him. All you have to do is give him the appropriate credit, mention the license he's using, which is always one of the Creative Commons ones. Link back to his website, jobs are good. If you want to know what Josh Woodward sounds like, have a look at my well, quite a few of my videos actually, but today, although it will now be weeks ago probably, I uploaded a random clippage video. It's going to be either 48 or 49, I think. I suppose I should put a bit of title over this one just to say which one it is. But it's the one, it's got 3 clips in it. And it's the 3rd clip where I talk about a lot, capital letters, a lot of reasons for considering getting a bike. And that 3rd clip, the lot of reasons clip, has an entire Josh Woodward track called I Will Not Let You Let Me Down, and that's the one that today I cannot stop whistling. There you go, that's my rendition. Now go see the video or go to Josh's website, joshwoodward.com, and listen to the man himself. A little digger. I want to go on one of them little diggers. I'm such a child. Are there really any men out there, proper real men, who wouldn't want to go on a digger? You know, if you don't want to go on a digger, you need to think about your life. Reconsider your choices. I'm a software developer. I am nerd squared, and I want to go on a digger. I mean, you don't get much more nerdy than saying you are nerd squared, do you? Do like a happy lollipop man. You do see someone with miserable faces, but happy ones, big smile. Bit of light in your day, you know. Pothole, pothole. There's blooming potholes everywhere. If this makes it into a video, this won't be random clippage, this will just be random drivel. Random clippage 63. An in drivel special. Stay where you are, please.